Well, here we are with our old friends, the chickens. Recently, we've given a few more changes to their lifestyle. We've given them more free range to walk around in. We let them walk around outside of the run in the grass. But every time we do, we always make sure to get them back in after 10 minutes. Also, this summer, we have a new face joining our flock. Say hello to our newest rooster, Percy. Yeah, back in November, we lost our old friend, Rudy, our dear loyal rooster. But one of our neighbors recently offered to lend us one of their 3 roosters that they recently got. Since they know we have chickens as well, currently, out in the run, we have 14 hens altogether, and he is a 13-year-old male, and he's pretty much younger than everyone else surrounded. Okay, so we let him stay in the quarantine pen for his first few days, and as you can see here, we even let Azula in there with him to keep him company. That's good company right there, I tell you what. We have him some food and water in there. We gotta give him special food so he grows up healthy since he's a rooster and all. And yeah, this has been his first week here. And he's been getting along fairly well with the hens. I mean, yes, it's true, we gotta keep them all healthy. But they've been taken to him pretty well. Like this 22nd, we even caught him trying to mate with Cocoa Pebbles, one of our Silver Lace Wyandottes. They've even let him sleep in the coop without any trouble. But yeah, that's Percy's story so far, everything that's mostly been going on. We'll keep you updated on him once or twice a week, so stay tuned for that. And we'll see you in the next video. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and we hope you have a good summer.